Some of the things I want you to know is that, again, we take, the stuff we're going over very seriously. You may be thinking about, why is the intensity? Because it is necessary, because we're serving people. And we need to honor people. People are paying us money, and we need to deliver, and not only that, over-deliver on the promise. We're like, okay, the promise is like, I want a supreme pizza, no mushroom. And that's the promise we're making them under a standard time. Obviously, it's 10 minutes or whatever it is. And for us to do that with a friendly face, right? But that is the basic promise that we're making that customer's paying us, and we need to honor that and take that serious. You may have not been in a relationship where there is money involved. Also, you need to realize that you are getting paid for work. That may be a new relationship for you, that people have not been paying you for work or whatever it is. You must as well honor that relationship because there is money involved, and that means something, that someone is making that money with hard work and they're paying you, and you need to honor that as well. So again, these things are serious. We want them to be, for you, serious, and understand that it matters and people matter, and we're in the people business, so that's everything to us, and we take it pretty serious.
Do you want to be part of a high-performing company? Do you want this place to be a high-performing company? If you, each and every single one of you sitting at the table, watching this video, all of your teammates, if all of you take it serious, if you're a high performer, you will be a part of a large organization, a large company that serves thousands of people every day. Is there not something significant for you in that? Do you not feel a sense of pride that you get to be part of such an organization that cares so much about people in a world today that cares nothing for people? That's the company you've joined, that's who we are, and that's why we're so intense about this.
And we want you to do the same.